accessible seats. The accessible seats, folks, once again, for special ticketed passengers. There's a two-seat with cap decal in blue. Please do not. Boarding at the Amtrak train number 1. Connecticut coming up next, folks. Also, just take some extra caution when exiting the train.
Bro, she's saying everything is so cute. Two braids.
Flort? Eyeliner. Yeah. Flort. Yeah.
Flirty.
Number 2. Shade 2. Ooh. It has oh my god, it's so cute.
Cute.
Okay, let's try that. Okay.
Oh, that's good.
Okay, I like. Oh, it's eyeliner? Yeah. Oh yeah, I did not get Judy doll. It's cheaper. It's so cute.
Yeah.
And then this got Super Beauty Florets number 6.
Oh. Ooh. Ah! Ooh.
You want to try it? Yes.
Okay. Now we try.
I don't know who this is.
Look
who's here! Well. Get out of here!
Okay, let's see it.
Most of the speech is just
Oh, it's cute!
Here.
Airplane.
Headless cow bench. Wow.
Momo reminds me of like the scary Momo. Mommy. Mommy. Picasso. Mommy. Picasso. Momo. Mommy. Mamu.
But today, you know, we just like did a lot of stuff. Sorry, just like mysterious. We just did a lot of stuff. We went to the MoMA.
Good night.
Day 2.
Yay!
Oh yeah.
Okay, I got
Sparkles, fireworks.
Woo! Say hi to my vlog. Yay!
Hi.
Yay! Yay! Related.
Sent alone because there's too many people on the bus, on the train, all scattered throughout.
Yeah, so sad. Heat rub. And then, yeah. Bye, vlog.